Good Tuesday morning, Quad Cities. Thanks for checking in with us here in your accurate forecast as we have a wet start to the day, some showers moving through. Here's a look at Doppler radar's estimation in terms of how much rain has fallen. A nice soaking for many where you're seeing the darker green, more than half an inch. The real dark green here towards Muscatine, New Boston, that is indicating an inch or more. I'm going to have the complete rainfall listing coming up later this morning on GMQC at 11. Look at the radar and satellite a few minutes after 7 o'clock this morning. There you see our area of low pressure now heading south of Omaha. It'll continue to move northward, heading for La Crosse later this afternoon. One more spoke of energy moving through Des Moines that could drive a couple of scattered showers here throughout the morning. But the steadier rain, that more consistent rain, it is wrapping up for today. So let me take you through future track. There you see again an opportunity for a quick hitting shower through the afternoon. Otherwise, skies just cloudy tonight, and there's going to be a big temperature difference too. I think mid-50s for us here in the Quad Cities, but you go east this afternoon, you're going to be closer to 60. All of us will fall to near freezing tonight with those clouds continuing. Tomorrow, more clouds, but with some colder air just above us here at the ground. I think a better chance to see some snow showers as opposed to rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Could get a quick dusting of accumulation out of that activity. Another thing we're keeping an eye on and tracking, that is the river levels on the Rock River especially. This is very susceptible to ice jams, especially after you go from a real deep freeze to a quick thaw, which is what we're seeing here right now. So at present time, the Rock River at Joslyn, it is going to be flirting with flood stage and going slightly above by the end of the week, about a foot above flood stage by Friday. So this is an early heads up. Joslyn and areas to the north and east, including Hillsdale, Erie, Prophetstown especially, keep an eye on the river levels here. We could see some big fluctuations due to, again, this ice jam activity. How do these things form? Well, we got to thaw out the ground first, and we're doing that now. And then the ice that formed on the river will also start to crack and break up. But as it starts to flow downstream, it runs into these really curvy parts that are especially true near the Prophetstown area. And that ice will get stuck on the curve, or it could also get stuck on bridges and overpasses, the beams that are in the water. Once that process happens, the water has nowhere to go. It's stuck, it backs up, and it has to expand outward, causing some flooding that develops quite rapidly. So again, if you live on the Rock River, Joslyn, upstream, keep an eye on those river levels. They could change rapidly here in the next couple of days. Temperature-wise, we're not going to see much change after tomorrow. We're going to keep these readings in the upper 30s to near 40. Another chance of some snow showers as we get into Saturday. But after that, a fairly quiet pattern and steady temperature pattern too. That will have us back into the low 40s by early next week.